Hey there, this is Gardner, best-selling author of A Bridge Over Troubled Wall Street and Taming Wall Street. And today I am so excited. I wanted to review probably my favorite financial book of all time, Richest Man in Babylon. If you've not read Richest Man in Babylon, you need to go on Amazon right now or check out, go to the library or go to Barnes & Noble. This is a must-read for anybody that wants to get ahead financially. This book was introduced to me when I was a teenager. I've probably read it, 8 or 9 times. I definitely go back to it to review and remind myself of the incredible principles shared in this book. So it's a book that uses story form set in the Middle East to show us how to get out of debt, be smarter with our money, how to grow that money, how to have proper insurance. And so a few key phrases that stand out when I think of Richest Man in Babylon is a portion of all I earn is mine to keep. So basically, nobody's going to pay you. You have to pay yourself first. You have to have a plan and a system in place to pay yourself, or else nobody will. So just remember that. A portion of all you earn is yours to keep. You deserve some of the money that you go and work 40, 50, 60 hours a week for. So make sure you have a savings plan in place. This is a great book for talking about that. Another one is don't push your money to impossible earnings. Don't be greedy. Don't be getting into startups when you shouldn't be. Don't be putting your money into stocks that you don't really understand or things on Wall Street that are highly speculative. Just if you could get consistent growth on your money, you're going to be better off than shooting for the moon, because most moon shots don't work out, right? Another one is just making sure you have proper insurance in place, making sure that your life is covered, making sure that your home is covered, that your business is covered. It's just such a fantastic book. And there's many, many more. I don't want to ruin it for you because I want you to read it. But I've taken the principles of this book and of my own life, and I've put them into my newest book. This is book number 6 for me, Taming Wall Street, and I believe it's my best book. But I use George Clayson's principles from Richest Man in Babylon to show people how to protect their money, how to guaranteed not lose, how to guaranteed grow your money every single year, how to legally avoid taxes that rob you from your hard-earned money, how to have access to your money, liquid access, so that you can do other investments and recover the money you spend on major purchases like cars and college and weddings and vacations. This book goes over all of that. So definitely check it out. But I love Richest Man in Babylon, and I want you to read it if you haven't, because it'll change your life. I believe that. If there's anything else that I can do to help you with your finances, please reach out to me at Stephen with a PH at yourbridgeplan.com. Otherwise, check out Taming Wall Street, check out Richest Man in Babylon, and thank you for checking out today's video.